All right, we're at the Computex 2026 and the Adata and Trusta booth. And we have Colin. Colin's going to show us around some new products. Of course, they're going to be focusing on more server AI related stuff. So let's go, Colin. So what we have here?
Okay, for this year, as you can see, 70% of the booth is about TRUSTA.
Yeah.
So we have our server RDIMM and also our enterprise SSD as well. These two products actually we have launched last year.
Yeah.
But this year there's a new thing for us, which is we have a software now.
Oh,
so yes, yeah, you can see we have the AI Scaler Toolkit from TRUSTA. So with this software, we can utilize our memories and also the speed of the how to say when you're running a lot of data, they can give you some energy saving as well.
Okay.
So this is how we are demonstrate our AI Scaler Toolkits for here this year together with our DRAM and SSD for enterprise use.
So more enterprise for more server related stuff.
Yes, and the AI Scaler Toolkits is open for everyone. It's free. You can just search TRUSTA AI Scaler Toolkit. You can and you can just download it, and then you can just apply to any DRAM SSD to utilize for your usage. Yes, this is what we are going to launch for this year, and is ready, and you can just search it and can download it. It's open source.
Right.
Yeah.
So this is going to be main focus. So the SSDs and the DRAM, the DDR5 RAM.
Yeah.
And then of course you got the TRUSTA ASC software to control everything.
Yep.
Monitor the health, the temperature, the power consumption, all that kind of stuff.
Yes.
All good.